I'm Mike with Tom's Key Company. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on an OEM Ford key fob like this and an aftermarket one like this. Come visit tomskey.com where we can help you get a spare key or remote for a whole lot less than the car dealership will charge, and you can do it all at home. Now, I've got an OEM one with a logo and an aftermarket one without the logo. Now, these will be slightly different. So let me show you how it's done. Come and open up the back here. That's where your emergency key blade is. That'll get you into the vehicle if your batteries have died. On this OEM one, we're going to take a penny here. Kind of work it out. And then slide those tabs out. They just kind of slid out just like that. Now this guy's got 2 batteries in it. It tells you it's a CR2025 that you need. There's one on top, keep this paper in place, and there's one below. So get your new batteries, put them in. So once this guy's in, I'm going to come and slide the little loops over the tabs there and get this guy pushed back into place. It's going to take a little bit of pressure. There, not staying put. Now let me show you this aftermarket one because it's a little bit different. There'll be a lot of similarities though. Here's the aftermarket one. So you know you need new battery when you see this warning that shows up on your dashboard. Now in this aftermarket one, there's nothing to hook under here, so that's a little bit of a pain. It's a bit harder to get this one open. This guy opens down here at the end, so that's different. And I don't like this aftermarket one so much because things kind of fall apart on it. A couple things to be aware of. One of those is that this guy has a little thin piece of plastic right here, so you don't want to lose that. Remember which way your batteries go in. The letters are going to be facing each other. Positive sides face each other on these batteries, just like that. So we're going to put our new one in. CR2025. Whoops. See, look, I'm already putting it in backwards. Don't do that. Have the positive side facing up. Get our little piece of plastic here. Put it in. Get our second battery. Positive side facing down now. Slip that in. Now this can be a little bit of a pain. Your battery may fall out as you try to put this guy back together. And I'll warn you, this little piece can be a real pain on this aftermarket one. So here's what I've learned. You got to look carefully at these hooks and the little nubs sticking up. The side without the nubs, for the, I'm calling these little spikes nubs, the side without these little spikes right here slides down on the circuit board like that. Now this one, remember how the first one used a penny to pop it out? Look at the tab on the end of this aftermarket one. That guy slides into the front down here, like so. See, that's why I hate this. Battery's falling out on me. So these loops, they're going to go over down here. Little loops go over the little nubs or posts. This can be a real pain. Let's try rolling these over and try to keep my battery from falling. That was the trick. So drop it on there and then apply some pressure and get this guy in place. Okay, with that, we got our battery replaced. Be sure you visit tomskey.com. We offer all sorts of solutions. If you need a second key for your vehicle, you can save a ton of money by getting it from Tom's Car Key Company instead of going to the dealership. So come check us out, tomskey.com.